Hello, my name is Miguel from the Mobile 757. I only been doing YouTube videos for about 3 to 4 months, so I'm completely new to this. But this video is going to be a little bit different. To give you a better understanding of my background, I hope whatever I say can touch somebody and give them some kind of inspiration. Because if I can do it, you can do it. So, to make a very long story short, I've been working on cars since I was 17 in the military, fast forwarding to now. I have a background in computers, networking, hardware, software, cameras, heating and air conditioning, automotive. I've done maintenance too. And through all of that journey, it brought me here to where I'm at to this day. The things that I have been through, I have been shot, I have been stabbed, I have been put in the foster care system, I have been homeless, I have eaten out of trash cans, I have dug out of trash cans. I'm not in that situation anymore. And by the grace of God, and if it wasn't for God, I wouldn't be here sitting here talking to you. If it wasn't for my customers, if it wasn't for my support system, if it wasn't for my naysayers, if it wasn't for my trolls, if it wasn't for the negative people out there, haters, which are my motivators, I wouldn't be sitting here talking to you to this day. I also have fibromyalgia, and anybody knows anything about fibromyalgia, it is a daily battle every day. Sometimes I slur my speech. Sometimes I can't walk right. Sometimes I'm in extreme pain. Sometimes I'm fatigued. And that's just to name the few symptoms that I battle every single solitary day. But I still push on, and I'm going to keep on pushing on. Why? Because I have lots of great information to give you guys. I am not making any money. I'm not being sponsored. No one's telling me to say the things that I say. I say things as I see fit. I do and fix cars the way I see it should be fixed. And plus I have a background. And sometimes people are not going to agree what I do. And I'm not trying to make everybody agree whatever I do. It works for me. And if my information can save you money, if my information can save you from getting ripped off, my information can do whatever it is for you. That's why I do what I do. Every day I push through. Every single solitary day I push through. And I also have chronic fatigue too. I have PTSD. And I have all these things that have happened to me, but that's no excuse to not keep on going. That actually made me want to go and keep pushing further and to prove myself every day that I can do it. So if I have these issues, and they're, might be small and minute to compared to other things that happen to other people, I'm only speaking for myself. If I can do it, you can do it. I help people across the United States of America, one-on-one consultations, how to start businesses. People are scared. Very scared. And it's very scary to be out there running a business. It is not easy whatsoever. You have to be customer service. You have to be IT. You have to know the legalities of the law. You have to be able to appease the customers. You have to be able to do what's best for the business and all this other great stuff. And I have no problem helping people to get where they need to go with whatever knowledge that I have. My website is themobilemechanic757.com. I do everything from documentations and everything that I'm saying. Nobody wouldn't help me at all. No one. Everybody gave me crickets. They felt that it was, I was stealing from them by getting information. Well, I'm not going to do that to anybody. I don't have a problem helping others that want to help themselves. I have been around bad customers. I have been around great customers. If I can make customers smile, if I can make you smile, if I can inspire you, if I can give you information, that's my whole entire purpose of everything that I do. So I will never forget my humble beginnings, where I was to where I am now. And I'm not here to ask for pity or anything. I just want to, if I can just inspire someone, you can do it. If I can do it on a daily struggling basis, you can do it too. And where I was to where I am is incredibly higher than I ever thought in a million years to where I'm at now. And I'm going to continue putting out videos, and I'm going to continue being myself, and I'm going to continue out there fighting the good fight just for you guys. And I'm going to do whatever it needs to be done to make sure that the public understands. For instance, pre-purchase inspections. We do it in the Hampton Roads area. I want to help people to understand what the hidden things about cars, which you do not know, can and will financially affect you. I also help customers if they can get the parts, good name brand, good parts for a cheap price. I don't make any money off it. I will do that, and I have done that numerous times. And anybody have any questions of my integrity, you can go to my Google reviews. They speak for themselves. My reputation precedes me. So what this point in my whole entire video is that if I can do it, you can do it. And if you have some inspirational comments, please give them to me. I will have no problems giving out shout outs. I have no problems remembering where I came from, the humble beginnings to where I'm at now. Because every day is just a blessing just to be alive. With that being said, that's the end of the video. If you like this video, please like, subscribe, and share. And I want to thank you, customers. I want to thank you, fans. And have a wonderful day.